Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Oppo mobile sound and vibration setting. And in this video we will talk about how to set Oppo mobile ringtone. Friends, you want to set Oppo mobile ringtone. So friends, now let's see how to set Oppo mobile ringtone one by one, and step by step we will talk about. So before start the video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. First of all guys, open your Oppo mobile phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, scroll down here and open your device phone sound and vibration setting. After turn on phone sound and vibration setting friends, you want to on vibrate on ring and you want to on vibrate on silent mode. So you can use vibrate on ring setting, vibrate on silent mode setting, and you want to off, so you can off. Friends, if you click as silent mode, so you can on silent mode and you can use silent mode setting in Oppo mobile. Scroll down here, do not disturb mode you want to use in your Oppo mobile, you cannot do not disturb mode setting. So when scroll down here, click here ringtone setting and scroll down here. Friends, which ringtone do you like, you can select ringtone and you can set and you can change ringtone in your Oppo mobile. So friends, I will set here dance ringtone. So friends, ringtone will set in my Oppo mobile, and you can increase ringtone volume and you can use, and left side you can decrease. So like that friends, you can use Oppo mobile ringtone setting, you can set ringtone in Oppo mobile. Again scroll down here friends, you want to change your device ringtone, so you can change your ringtone. So friends, now I will select here night ringtone. So when ringtone sound will set in my Oppo mobile, and I can use this ringtone in my Oppo mobile. Ringtone sound will change. And friends, you want to use your notification ringtone sound, you want to set notification ringtone sound. Scroll down here, click here notification ringtone sound, and you can select your notification ringtone sound and you can use in your Oppo mobile. Example, when this sound I will set here, overtune you want to set, so you can set here, and you can increase your notification ringtone sound volume. So like that friends, you can set notification ringtone sound, you can notification ringtone sound in Oppo mobile. And you want to off and you want to change, so you can change. And if you click on none option, so friends, your notification ringtone sound will off. You cannot use notification ringtone sound in Oppo mobile. You want to use, select your notification ringtone sound and you can use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.